So in this video, I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges on the Canon PIXMA TS4320. And this process is pretty much the same no matter which TS4300 series printer you get. I'll also leave links to cartridges for this printer right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Now you want to do this with the printer turned on, and the first step in the process is to open up the cartridge compartment, and to do that there's a handle up here and another handle on the other side. You can use either one of those and pull up to open up the cartridge compartment. And as soon as you do that, the cartridge tray slides out into view. Now removing the cartridges is super simple. Let's remove the black cartridge first. So I'm going to press this lever up front, and that opens up the cartridge compartment door, and then I can pull the cartridge out. And let's do the same with the color cartridge. Press the button to open it up, and let's pull the cartridge out. So let's load the brand new cartridges. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to buy cartridges for this printer, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. And before we load them in, we've got to do a bit of prep. I'm going to peel off this plastic cover, remove the cartridge from its tray, and I'm going to remove this piece of protective tape on the print head. And let's do that for the color cartridge as well. I'm going to peel off this plastic cover, remove the cartridge from its tray, and let's remove this piece of protective tape on the print head. And let's load the color cartridge first. That's the tray on the left, and it's clearly marked. And then I'm going to load the color cartridge, and I'm going to load it with the electronic contacts up here facing inward. So let's load it into the tray, slide it in, and it drops into place. And then let's close the door back down. And then again, I'm going to load the cartridge in with the electronic contacts facing inward. So I'm going to gently slide it into the cartridge tray till it falls into place, as you can see here, and then close that lock back down, and that's it. And let's close the cartridge compartment cover. And folks, that completes the installation of the ink cartridges on the Canon Pixma TS4320. If you're looking to buy cartridges for this printer, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.